Hello, thank you everyone for joining my unboxing video. Today I will be unboxing the BTS Proof CD, and so I did get the special version. There was another version that was smaller and came just with the CDs and less items, but I wanted the more collector's edition, and so I chose to purchase this one. So this particular anthology album was released on June 10th, 2022, and it includes 3 CDs with 3 new tracks and some of their older songs. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open it and see what it looks like. So I ordered this particular set from Target, and I did this because there was a slight sale on it, and I actually received it in the mail about a day after it was released on June 11th. Unfortunately, the box did have a little bump on it, so I ended up needing to go to Target to exchange it for a new set. So it comes again with this little sliding plastic. I really like how they have it clear, yet at the same time it holds the box together. So that is the logo design they're using for the Proof album. It says Proof on the back. And it's quite a heavy little box. Probably a good 3 to 5 pounds. And so, let's see, and it just pops open in the center like this. The little ribbon that says we're bulletproof. Using that, I can lift and pick everything up. So that's really nice how they did that. So the first thing we have here is a set of CDs. The first one with the track list. Looks like the Born Singer song is here. And Yet to Come. That seems to be the lead single that was released first with the music video. And here's the second disc and the third disc. So let's go ahead and pick up some of these CDs and take a closer look. I like how each one was designed just slightly different with the logo. Well, that was easy to tear. And here's the other 2. Go ahead and pop that back in. So here is, looks like I got Sugar as my pull-out card. Really nice front and back. And here are the other photo cards. V, RM, Jungkook, Sugar, Jin, J-Hope, Jungkook, and Jimin. So the back of these just show Proof with one white one. Must be Jungkook. That's the special. So here we have the photo book. The Art of Proof. And looks like it has all of their different CDs they've released since they debuted in 2013. And with the different album covers. So a nice little collector's edition. You have all of their history. And we also have another book here. It says Photograph. These are the images made just for the Proof CD. so very nice. Some different styles there. And lastly, oh no, not lastly, there's quite a few things in here. Another one, this is a white colored one. It says epilogue. So more photos here. A little bit of a different style. And looks like some letters that they drafted for us. Let's just see here. It's just on one side. Nice. And now we have another little book. I feel like the charcoal on this. So it says proof. And here are the lyrics. Very nice. That's lyrics for all of the tracks, along with who wrote and produced them. And what's this last thing? Ah, this is the poster. So this poster does show their specific look for proof, which kind of harkens back to the original ad. Just open this quickly and hand over it. Probably seen this in other photographs that they've released. So that looks to be the photo for proof. So thank you so much for joining me for my unboxing, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.